Hey Santa Monica, it's Westside DB here with SamoLive.com and 365 things to do in Santa Monica and the West Side. Today we are checking out the food trucks over here on 31st Street off of Ocean Park Boulevard. We've got everything from Cuban, Mediterranean, pig, barbecue, veggie, whatever your taste. Let's take a quick little tour and you can check it out. Hey, so that was, there's like, I don't know, 8, maybe 10 different food trucks here. I just grabbed some coconut shrimp and a nice barbecue kebab from the Mediterranean guys. It's all sorts of great options over here on 31st Street and Ocean Park Boulevard. I'm Westside DB. See you on the next one.